Morning, guys. So today we have, again, another interesting day. This has just been an interesting week in general. The entire week we've just been in a range. As you can see, we broke the week's high, which the week's range is set on Tuesday. So we have the low set here and then the highs set up here. On Wednesday, we were actually able to break above the week's range high, and then we broke below the week's range low on Thursday, which rarely ever happens. It's like a 20% chance. So it's one of those odd weeks to where, we have unusual activity, but we've just been ranging. And right now we're kind of right back at the bottom after kind of briefly breaking back below the range and then making our way back up to mid range. And now we're kind of just still sitting in that same week's range. Today, I don't know what the bias is, to be honest. It's pretty conflicting. In the 1 hour, we can just see that price is just cutting through the daily, not really showing any clear direction. If I were to guess, obviously, because this is the S&P 500 futures, I would guess that, price just naturally wants to go higher. But again, I'm not going into the open with a hard bias because nothing's really screaming to me. I can definitely see the longs play out if we're looking here at the 15-minute, because since, let's say, 3 something, right, we've been able to stay above the daily, retest, respected this level, and then it looks like we kind of could move higher from this point. But again, we never know, because yesterday it looked pretty good for the longs, but then it just tanked right in the open, about like 60 points or something like that. So we never know. We're just going to trade price action and go in today open to trade short or long. But let's see how the day plans out.